All right, that says we're rolling. So if you're seeing me live, good morning. Beautiful morning here in Denver, Colorado. Um, and I was actually going to do my old SNL Jimmy Fallon bit. You know, he had, was a radio DJ and he had this wonderful, and we're back kind of thing. They were spoofing rock morning radio DJs. But I digress. It has been a minute since we've done these. We took probably a month off from doing the blog posts and the subsequent videos. If you're on our subscription, you probably received that email. Although, while I know some people responded to it already, I'm on that subscription list and didn't get mine. So maybe not all of you did. I'll have to double, triple check all of that. But nonetheless, you can go get it on our website. That's at the bottom of the screen there, corefinancegroup.com. And basically, the subject of the blog this time around, thank you to everyone who contributed to the content therein, since this isn't really my wheelhouse, was about the housing market for Q1 of this year. And we're obviously a little bit past Q1 now, actually about 45 days. Wow, where does the time go? But we talk about quite a few things. It is a long blog post, certainly worth the read if you are in real estate or if you're buying a home or selling a home or those kinds of things. Obviously, driving a lot of what's going on is what goes on with mortgage rates. Still a big issue. March was abysmal. There does seem to be some settling, some recovery from that. And boy, I would like to say some consistency, but the mortgage-backed securities market is so volatile. It's absolutely wild. What we thought of as big days on the MBS 10 years ago, 20-point swings are, things now that nobody even bats an eye at. In any case, we do talk about buyers still being cautious, about the increase in inventory, negligible, but there's still quite a bit. And it had increased in Q1. What sellers are looking down the barrel of when it comes to days on market, price reductions, those kinds of things. What went on in the stability of home prices, what is going on in the affordability sector, that the demand had slowed, nothing had stalled, that the demand was still down, which is interesting, although it does explain a lot of why the supply is up. So that will, both were negligible. But still, obviously, making impacts. And then, literally, what this means for you if you are a buyer or seller, what we might be looking at in this quarter, and we'll see what that looks like after another 45 days when it wraps up. And then where the opportunities lie right now for buyers who have less competition, for sellers who can price correctly and get good results, those kinds of things. So, yeah, it's there's a lot going on. There's so much to unbox, even in just that one simple blog post subject of what went on in the housing market in a single quarter of a single year. So that's it for this time around. I'll be brief because there is a lot of data in that blog post. Feel free to go check it out. If you want to receive them, we do them twice a month. If you want to receive them, you can subscribe there as well. And other than that, we will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. If you're watching this early in the day, I guess. If you are watching it late, I hope you had a wonderful day. And we'll see you guys next time.